You are not tired. You are distracted. You are not stuck. You are comfortable. And if you keep living like this, one day you will look up and realize you traded your potential for ease. That day is closer than you think. Right now, your life is being shaped by small choices you barely notice. The extra 10 minutes in bed, the scroll that turns into an hour, the easy snack, the easy show, the easy excuse. Minutes don't disappear, they stack up into years, and you pay for them with your future. Here is the hard truth. No one can save you from your own patterns. If you keep choosing comfort, you will keep getting the same results. And the worst part is, you will start believing that is just who you are. But it is not who you are. It is who you have been practicing to become. So you change the practice, not with big speeches, with 5 simple daily habits that force you to move. First, begin your day with one hard thing. Before your phone, before messages, before noise. Pick one task you fear and do it while your mind is still quiet. This trains you to act without waiting for a feeling. Second, take 60 seconds and aim your day. Write 3 actions that actually matter. If you do only those 3, you still move forward. Discipline grows when your target is clear. Third, move your body like your life depends on it. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it does not matter. What matters is that you sweat and you show up, because every time you move, you prove you are not a person who quits. Fourth, cut one distraction on purpose, not forever, just for today. Put your phone in another room for one focused hour, 1 hour where you do not run from discomfort. That single boundary will change how you think. Fifth, end your day with a short review. Write 1 win, 1 mistake, 1 lesson. Then decide the first hard thing you will do tomorrow morning. You are building a system that keeps you honest. This is how you become unrecognizable, not by becoming perfect, by becoming consistent, by stacking days where you do what you said you would do. So do not watch another video and call it progress. Choose one habit and start now. If you close this and do nothing, you are choosing your old life again.